Second thing is, this is the overall major function of macrophages. I'm already told macrophages are involved in phagocytosis. Okay, they are engulfing the variety of antigens. Okay, they are neutralizing by the phagolysosome containing enzymes. Okay, once the antigens are more resistant against the enzymes, so these insoluble antigens are um, get processed and finally executed through by major histocompatibility complex to the T helper cells. So that time the macrophages are antigen presenting cells. So this denoted as antigen presentation. First one is phagocytosis of destruction of bacteria. Okay, it's a normal function. Second thing is macrophages do antigen presentation. Third one is this is mainly involved the tissue reorganization, the wound healing. Yes. So these three things are we already learned. The one thing is remaining tumor cell destruction. Yes. Yesterday I am told some of the cell derbites, some of the uh, cell mass routinely created. Yes. Through by the apoptosis process. Okay. Similarly, some of the tumor cells are destructed. Yes, if the patient having containing tumor or cancer. Cancer is the very well basic things. Good. Cancer is the abnormal growth of cells. So the abnormal condition may be easily destructed by the variety of reasons, especially uh, anti-cancer chemicals, some chemotherapy, or some tumor necrosis factor, or some P53 or a tyrosine kinase enzyme. So a lot of mechanisms are there in the cancer cell destruction. So after destruction, those cancerous cell derbids are there in the organ, there in the tissue. Okay. So those proteins, the cell derbids are act as an antigen. Okay. In some time. So for avoiding this antigenicity, the macrophages are to recognize and neutralize and digest the cell turbines at the time of tumor cell destruction. So I'm simply saying, but uh, cancer immunology is a big field there. So cancer immunology, tumor immunology is the new area is there. So it's containing variety of information. But I'm simply told macrophages are involved tumor cell destruction. Okay. So please, my dears, keep your mind. Phagocytosis is a major process of the macrophages. Second thing is presentation of antigen. So those factors are significantly affect the or destruct the tumor cells in our system. So after destruction, the cancer cells are uh, look like a cell derbids, cell mass. Sometimes they may act as an antigen. Okay, for avoiding this antigenicity of the cell derbids, the macrophages are goes and recognize the antigen and neutralize the cell derbids. So this is the way tumor cells are macrophages are to uh, neutralize the tumor cell derbids. Okay. One more is tumor immunology. Cancer immunology is the field is that the new field is that So now we learn very simple manner. Macrophages involve the tumor cell destruction. So this is the major four functions the macrophages do. Okay. Uh, Phagocytosis, antigen presentation, wound healing, reorganization of tissues, and tumor cell destruction. Okay. So for the four purposes, macrophages are produced like three important things: cytokinins, enzymes, and other factors. Yes. So for cytokinin, you know very well, cytokinin is the group of factors, especially immunological factors, which involve the variety of functions like interleukin 1, 6, interleukin 12, tumor necrosis factor alpha, interleukin 8, CSF. That means basement membrane GSF. The interleukin 6 involve the induction of fibroblast cells. You know very well. Interleukins 1, 12 are trigger activate the T helper cells. You know very well. Tumor necrosis factor alpha to involve the tumor cell destruction. Yes. Interleukin 8 are involved in the cell differentiation. Macrophages 2, antigen presenting cells. The basement membrane CSF means these factors to hydrolyze some collagenous or elastin based protein in the cell membrane at the wound healing area. The enzymes, you know very well, lysozymes. Lysozymes are the effective enzyme for broken down the protein. Acid hydrolase, you know very well, acid hydrolase enzyme. The hydrolase enzyme means broken down the protein, uh, especially carboxyl end. Acidic means the hydrolase protein are working in the acidic condition. Maybe it's working on around the pH 2 up to 3 or 2. Yes. So the hydrolase enzyme more active at the acidic condition. So it's called acid hydrolase enzyme. You know, arginase. Arginase is the enzyme which degrade or reduce the arginine molecule. That means uh, arginine is the beautiful basic amino acids. You know very well. The macrophages to expose the wound healing area to synthesize the some chematotoxic substances. So these substances contains high amount of arginine. This arginine will also degraded by the arginase enzyme secreted from the macrophages. So arginine containing molecules are secreted from macrophages. At the same time, the arginase enzyme also secreted from the macrophages. If the arginine get reduced, the presence of oxygen with the help of NADPH2, the arginine converted into citrulline and nitrous oxide plus H2O. Yes. So this is the reaction of arginase enzyme. Arginine, presence of oxygen with the help of NADPH molecule get reduced to form a citrulline plus nitrous oxide and H2O. So the reactions takes place in the phagolysosome. Phago okay. Lipase enzyme, you know very well, lipase is the enzyme to degrade the uh, carboxylic end of the fatty acids. Lipids are multi-enzyme complex. They are doing alpha, beta, and omega oxidation. No. Collagenase is the enzyme especially to hydrolysis the collagen molecule at the glycine molecule, the glycine amino acids of the collagen. Finally, the tertiary structure of collagen may be relaxed, okay, by the collagenase enzyme. Elasterase enzyme to degrade the elastin. Uh, Elastin is a group of proteins, actin and myosin, some other glycosylated protein. So those proteins are relaxed by the elastinase enzyme. Okay. Some other factors are there secreted from macrophages at the time of the above four functions. Okay. Prostaglandins. Prostaglandins are the neurotransmitter molecule. This is the prostaglandins, important molecule responsible for the pain. Maybe either wound healing or inflamed. The inflamed area creates some pain. This pain was done by prostaglandins. Prostaglandins secreted from plasma membrane fatty acids by the action of cyclooxygenase enzyme. So if the cyclooxygenase enzyme to degrade the plasma membrane fatty acids, finally the prostaglandins are synthesized. At the same time, thromboxanes are synthesized. So this thromboxane directly involved the blood clotting mechanism. The prostaglandins are secreted, then exhausted into the cell. Finally, reach to neuromuscular junction. So they act as a neurotransmitter to create the pain. Yes. If you are taking the anti-inflammatory drugs like ranitidine or cetirizine, or some other drugs are there. These cetirizine, ranitidine drugs are directly inhibit the cyclooxygenase enzyme. So the prostaglandins are not produced from the plasma membrane lipid. So you can feel the pain-free condition. So these drugs are called painkillers. So all painkiller drugs are doing like inhibition of cyclooxygenase enzyme. Okay. So the same anti-inflammatory drugs are do like this function. Leukosterins to involve the production of leukocytes, especially T cells and B cells at the time of thymus. Okay. We can study. Complement compounds are there. Okay. Those complement compounds are to involve the presentation, antigen recognition, and T cell activation. Fibronectin also secreted from the macrophages. They involve fibroblast cells and induce the fibroblast. Finally, the collagenase enzymes are produced. Some binding proteins are there. You know very well. Already yesterday we learned PRR, like proteins, and the granules contains the macrophages granules contain some coagulation factors like gonadotrophin sulfate, carboxypeptidase A, heparin, and other enzymes. So these are the coagulation factors of macrophages. So please keep in mind these are the chemicals produced from the macrophages.